And Gladys will be back. Oh my gosh! You finish it all? And then you pee over there? My gosh, I give you a treat. Alright. Oh, 3, 4. I switched the ceiling fan instead of the light. So we have a special visitor today, and his name is Jasper! Jasper, what you doing? Hi, Jasper! This is Chrism's and Gladys' pet. I don't know what kind of dog are you? Huh? Huh? No. No. It is my first time to watch a puppy. Hoy, where are you going? No, stop, sit. Jasper, sit. Keep still, okay? Sit, Jasper. I think she wanna play, not she, he wanna play my slipper. Where's my slipper, Jasper? Right here, right here, come. Come. Oh, you like the smell of my feet? Jasper. Nah. Look at you.
Suddenly appear every time you are near. Just like me, they long to be close to you. Why do stars fall from the sky every time you walk by? Just like me, they long to be close to you. On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkled moon dust in your hair and put a starlight in your eyes so blue. That is why all the girls in town follow you all around. Just like me, they long to be close to you.
Yon. He's hungry. Good boy, Jasper. So we'll watch him in 2 days, and Chrism and Gladys will be back. Oh my gosh! You finish it all? And then you pee over there? My gosh, I give you a treat. Okay, here's a note. By Gladys. Hoy, focus, madam. So I think this is the... Allah. Oh my God. Sorry, Glads. Bakit natapon? Okay. Up. Sit. Sit. Sorry, madam. Natapon yung treats ni Jasper. Look. Natapon. And it's not natapon. I mean like, it's overspilling. Try look guys. Saan naman to? I think this is brush. Brush of his face. And toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo. Look at the water. Very smart. My camera is not focusing well. Wipes. This is his dog food. I don't know what is this. Fried chicken? Really? Wait. How come I'm in manual focus? No wonder. So this is his food. What is this? It's hard to... Alright. Katong assignment ko. Add 1.5 food plate. Replace water. Once empty, remove plate. Leave the water. Okay? 2 p.m. playtime. Let out play. Fetch reward and treat. 3 p.m. nap time. Leave him and play the pen. So, 2 o'clock pa ngayon. Let out and play him. Oh my gosh. This is it. Kadali lang ha. Oh, 1 second. It's playtime.
Hello. We are babysitting today.
No, Jasper.
Let me show you, Jasper. Here, let me show you our visitor. His name is Jasper.
Just come here, just come here, come here.
This is Gladys and Chrism's bebe. Look, he's looking at you. All right, let me show him. Woohoo! Hi. Help me
All right.
welcome Jasper.
Just.
That's his pen right there.
Hala, he got his toy.
Hala.
He
No.
got his toy.
Okay, he likes
Alright,
to
bring
play
it
the
on.
slipper. There he is.
Gladys said, adopt a mate for him.
So Jasper is a Morkie. Half Yorkie and half Maltese. So that's why he's called Morkie.
Oh.
Jasper. So he's in our living room. Those are his stuff right there. And that's his pen. And that's his iPad. We play him background music at night according to her mother. Ow! Okay, come on. He's afraid. Don't scare him.
Here you go. You wanna play? You wanna play?
Look.
Yeah, bite. Bite.
Aww, so sweet. He likes you.
Tingnan mo, te.
Oh my god, he found the sleepers. No!
Told you. Put in the... Go play with that. Fleur, guys.